Next dance, Nareh. N-A-R-E-H, from Diklanagirt, ancient Western Armenia. Nareh. Nareh is done. Finger hold, one step. Kerze, crossover, kerze, and hop. The step is called kerze. It's a skip step. Your hands going back, you hop on your left, step on your right. As you skip from your left to your right, your hands swing forward and cross over. And again, skip step, hands back forward, this time continuing up with the arms, hop on your right foot, bend your left heel. And then, facing a little bit right, diagonally right, hop, lift, hop, touching your left heel, change weight, turn to diagonal left. Then, hop, lift, hop, change on your right foot, going to the right. Then side left, side right, cross your left over, clap, hop on your right, hold fingers, and start the whole thing again, the connection. Remember the connection from the workshop. Skip step, crossover, skip step with the hop. You hop and you lift and you hop and you change. Hop and you lift and you hop and you change. Side and you clap. One more time. It is. Skip cross, hop and you lift. Heel and lift and you heel and you lift. Heel and lift, then heel and change. Inside, and clap and the hop. And you 1. And you 3. 5, 6, 7, little left. Heel, lift, heel, side, clap. You go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, side, clap and you hop and you go. With music, Nareh. Nareh.